What if I told you Ethereum TRS chart is flashing the same warning signal we saw before the last major crash? I am talking about a setup that even hardcore bulls can ignore. And if this plays out, the entire market could take a painful hit. Let's talk about why I am calling this one of the most dangerous setups on ETH right now. Looking at the daily chart for Ethereum, we're seeing a head and shoulders pattern forming, which is a classic signal for a bearish reversal. But what's more concerning is the OBV, or on-balance volume. This indicator tracks the flow of money, the balance between buying and selling pressure. Right now, it's dropping fast. This means sellers are quietly gaining momentum, even while the price looks relatively stable. Historically, when OBV diverges this strongly from the price eventually follows it down. On top of that, the weekly MACD for ETH is flattening out. If that indicator crosses and turns bearish, we could be looking at a full-blown trend reversal that lasts for weeks or even months. But here's the weird part. If everything looks so bearish, why is there still so much hope and optimism in the market? Honestly, most bulls, and I include myself in that group, are naturally looking for reasons to stay positive. We all want that next explosive run-up, that next crazy alt season. But this time, nothing on the charts looks good. Even the big players seem to be acting cautiously. There's an old saying, sometimes attributed to CZ, the founder of Binance, that goes something like this. You'll get your compensation in bull markets, and you'll give it all back in the bear. That quote just hits differently right now. In fact, a friend of mine, a very experienced trader, has already taken a 25% exit from the market. He's planning to go full cash if ETH's weekly MACD flips red. My plan? Exactly the same. If the weekly chart turns bearish, I'm out completely. So, does this mean the market is completely done for? Not necessarily, but here's what I think happens next. We might get a short-term rebound. We could even see a small fake alt-season rally designed to trap late buyers who are desperate not to miss out. But unless we see ETH reclaim key resistance levels and do it with strong confirmation from the OBV, I am not trusting any bounce. This isn't about fear. It's about smart risk management. In a market like this, protecting your capital is far more important than chasing potential profits. As I always say, I share what I'm doing, not what you should do. This is not financial advice, just my honest take as one trader looking at the charts. Maybe the market rebounds, maybe it doesn't. But this is one of those moments where saving your stack is smarter than saving your ego. Because once the real bear market arrives, there are no second chances. So stay sharp, stay patient, and let the charts, not your emotions, guide you. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.